What's up, Goon Squad? It's a brand new day today. Right now we're heading to the store to get some supplies for the WRX paint job. We got to do some masking, so we got to do it properly. We're going to try to do it professionally. And we're going to go get some other materials and supplies that we might possibly need. So we'll catch you guys there.
That's good.
Rubicon and another Rubicon.
I had one of them.
That's pretty lit. I like it. I like it. Got a worn winch.
I had one of them.
But does he have leather seats?
No, he don't.
Alright guys, so this is what we picked up: some soft edge foam masking tape. And what else did we get? Just a tack cloth. Alright, back at the house here. So we're gonna start prepping this thing for paint. What's the first step to start prepping this thing for paint? What do you say? Take it out there and wash it down, then pull it back in?
Wash it in here.
Or in here. So pretty much now we're just gonna give it a wash with this bucket of soap and water and the sponge. Alright, so we got this whole side washed and it's almost dry completely, pretty much. Alright, so we're actually heading to Home Depot right now to pick up another fan for the booth because I think we're having a little circulation issue or airflow issue, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go pick one up and hopefully that fixes our issue. Alright, so we got our fan back there. Now we're heading back to the house and we're going to set it up.
For the WRX, guys, what do you think it is? A turbo.
Turbo, big old blower. Exact same fan that we got on this side.
Just different name.
Just a little bit different name brand because they were sold out of the other stuff, but we're probably gonna set it up top and we're gonna leave that one there also. So we're probably gonna have two outtake fans. We were kind of debating on whether we should put that down low so the airflow is pushing down towards the bottom, or we should just probably set it up there and see how it does. That one blown for now because it is kind of hot today. So we're gonna go cut out the hole and then we're gonna turn it on and see how it works. Nice.
I already feel it coming through.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna help a lot, dude. So we got both fans on, they're running real nice and quiet. The airflow is real good. It's nice and cool in here. Now we're gonna go ahead and tape it off. So we actually picked up some of this foam tape, some really good stuff for door jams. So this is gonna be the first time using this stuff. Alright guys, so we got all the foam tape in. Perfectly, made the job a lot easier, a lot faster. Now, we're gonna go ahead and get this automotive wrap and throw it on the whole car. Guys, there you have it. It's all taped up, all the nooks and crannies, everything, so we don't have any overspray. We took the extra time to make sure it was done right. It's looking great. Now I'm going to go ahead and wax and grease remove it before we proceed with anything else. Alright, it's the first coat there. I don't want to get too close in there. It's about to spray the second one. And it's already looking slick though, so let's get that second coat. There you have it, boys. That's the third and final coat there. It is just slick. It's gonna need a little bit of buffing, but for this booth, that's as best as it's gonna get, and we love to buff it and make it look shiny. So
yeah, it looks good.
we threw 3 thick coats, so it's gonna allow us to buff really good. The blend went well. You can't even see the difference. Like, we only threw clear on this part here. I'm trying to be real careful.
I blended it on that corner.
So you blended it right there?
Yeah, and I blended on the fender.
Beautiful. See this fender blend.
I blended it on here too.
Dang, it's gonna look great, man. It's just looking so good.
Let's untape it so it doesn't dry too much.
Okay, sounds good.
I guess let me hit it with my, because I got gloves
Yeah,
on.
be real careful though. It's still a little bit tacky.
You got some tacky?
Dude, it looks so good. Turned out great. We're starting a new channel, guys. It's gonna be his channel, actually. It's gonna be called Backyard Painter. He's gonna be giving you guys tips and tricks to painting in your backyard.
And how to mix and whatnot, and what to use.
Yeah, so we learned a little bit. We're still in the learning process. We've still got a lot to learn, but we want to take you guys right along with us. So there's gonna be a new channel. Be sure to check it out. It's pretty much done, man. I don't know what we're gonna do after this build.
We have to get another one. Never know.
I love it. It just turned out so great in this little booth here. The fan system, the filters are working great. Everything's working great. Still got tiny speckles of trash, but what do you expect from a tent paint booth? You know what I mean?
Right.
This is not a $50,000 booth or something. We're happy with what we got, so.
Oh yeah.
We're happy with the results. Turned out great. I can't wait to get it out in the sunlight. So dudes, a little bit of trash in it, but there's a thick coat of clear coat on there, so it's gonna buff out real nice. Which I was looking at the factory clear coat earlier, and it's pretty rough. It's not 100% smooth, so we're gonna actually match it up pretty dang close.
Push these in. Just a little.
Let's go ahead and just slide this over to this side. Really carefully, we're gonna pop them open and probably peel off that foam tape.
Dude, this stuff works freaking wonders. Bruh, look how good that is.
Dang, son, just a little bit of buffing there. It's gonna, man, that's awesome, man. Dude, I love that stuff, man.
We have a little primer.
A little bit of primer there, yeah, that we're gonna buff out. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Another exciting day for us. We're gonna let it dry. We can't open up the tent yet because it's still curing, and we don't want a bug just flying around in there, buzzing around and messing up our paint job.
Yeah.
So we're gonna let it cure. I'll be showing you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, we got a lot of exciting stuff coming to this channel. So I'm telling you guys, be sure that you turn on your post notifications. If you're new, like and subscribe. because we got some cool stuff coming to the channel.
If you guys would like some merch from the boys and help us out, go check out goonsquad.com.
Also, if you want to support us, be sure to check out the links down below. We got a GoFundMe and a Patreon set up. We appreciate all the support that we already receive, all the comments down below. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the information, all the advice, all the pointers, guys. We appreciate it all. Thank you so much.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram to get an inside scoop and some dope pictures that we post of our builds. So check that out.
Thank you guys for watching today's episode, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.